Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to the channel. This is the Boss Way. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to be trying a ultra foaming wash concentrate soap from Bling Chemicals called Inti-Mit, right there. Not a sponsored video. I bought this on sale. I'll run you about 20 bucks, 18 to 20 bucks, and I use the other Bling products for especially undercarriage cleaning. The aluminum brightener, the concentrate, and so far I like Bling products. It's for the more extreme cleaning, I would say. It's not for your, maintenance wash. So guys, going back to the story, today I'm going to try this new soap. It was part of the package. If I had bought because I was buying the Absolute and some other stuff, and they had an offer if I wanted to add this to the package, would cost me, I will get a discount. So I did it. So the instructions says to pre-rinse the vehicle and to also, foam up the car and use about 100 milliliters on the cannon. So 100 milliliters is, I'll show you in a second. Let me pour the soap in. Smells fruity. So, very colorful. So 100 milliliters is a little bit more, almost 3 ounces. So, see what the line is right there? That's about almost 4 ounces. Very colorful. So, I think I got too much water here. Let me go back a little. So we're going to be trying that soap today. It's just pretty much, I'm doing a car wash today. And washing a Tesla. First time washing a Tesla. First electric car I ever washed. So it'll be a cool experience to see how it is. I never washed a Tesla before. So I'm going to take you along there. I'll show you the car in a second. There you go. Plenty of soap there. That's enough soap to wash 2 Escalades if I want to. But let me take you there, show you what the car looks like, take you along, and then I'll let you know if it really foams up good, if it cleans good, if it clings to the paint well. I don't know. I haven't seen any videos on this online at all. And hey, I guess I'll be probably one of the first ones to do it, right? But I'd like to welcome you to the channel. If this is the first time you are watching any of my videos, I have over 150 videos out there. I'll welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. I do car product reviews. I do car detailing videos. I do car reviews. And I'm just, a husband, a dad, a brother, a friend. I'm not per se out there. I'm not a professional detailer, but I am a hobbyist. And I offer my honest opinion on the product. So, when you buy it, you know what to get. All right, guys? Let me show you a car we're working with. This is a beautiful, beautiful blue Tesla. It belongs to a really good friend of mine. And we're going to be washing it today. Let me show you what the car looks like. All right? Look out there. I like this color a lot. This color looks really awesome. It's not, I don't see this color often on a Tesla. So there you go. The car's a little bit on the dirty side. Let me lower the camera here and take you along so you guys can have a better view, okay? So yeah, we're gonna, it is a little bit on the dirty side. I'm gonna do a little cleaning. Do the wheel wells. 1 second, adjust the camera. The wheel wells need cleaned out. Bird bomb. The paint feels smooth, so we're gonna make this car look really good. Dial in the rims. The car is not per se dirty, and this should be a really good car to wash because it's a small car. compared to the big cars that we usually wash. All right, so for me, this is really different. I never seen, I mean, I've seen the Tesla, but never, you know, had the key to the Tesla, had to open the Tesla, turn on the Tesla, or seeing the inside. So it's going to be a really good experience on this beautiful 21 Tesla. All right, guys, so stay tuned, you know, show you how it goes. All right, guys, so the instructions say rinse the vehicle first, then foam up the car. So let's rinse the other side. Today I have the car in a different position in the driveway because of the shade. All right, let's go for the foam. Let's see how that goes, right? First time using it. I like it, red. It's gonna look pretty cool. Let's see. How's the foam go? Oh, foamy. As you can see, foams up really well. It sticks to the paint. I like this. Clean it and the wash mitt. Well, keep in mind, the car's not really dirty, so I know this car has been washed recently. I know it has. He showed me a video of his granddaughter helping him wash the car. So far, I want to tell you this. One thing that I do like about the soap. One, great lubrication, great. It clings to the paint, which is amazing, which is great. And the fruity smell is not too shabby, not too shabby at all. It's not, you know, price-wise, it's a little bit on the high, I think. If it was a little cheaper, it would have been more inviting. I think for the price, it's a little bit on the high side. If it was like $15 for the bottle, I think I'm gonna get, I don't know, 6 washes maybe from the bottle. Wow, lubrication is great. And mind you, we are, you know, regular hot day in Orlando. The soap still clinging to the paint. Don't mind my lousy neighbor here. All right, so the paint, the soap's still clinging to the paint, which is a great sign. Usually by this time, some cheap soap, usually it's already done and over. This car was not dirty, so easy wash. I drove this car yesterday. It's fun. Never had driven an electric car before. It's fun. I'm missing the, you know, myself being a guy that drives V8s, I'm missing the sound. But I hear that people get used to it. So let's foam up one more time so I can run the clean mitt. Being a pink foam is pretty different. It's nice where it's easy to see where you foam up and where you didn't foam up. It was a little bit on the greedy side, very little, but we're gonna clean this up and let's get the paint dialed in. It's just on the top parts. The sides are not that bad at all, but since I got to claim it, we're gonna do the whole thing. See here, the sides is very smooth. Just here where the sun hits it. You hear that? Right here. want to see what kind of sealant I'm going to put on the windshield. Here the front is expected to be rough because that's where all the loft bugs and the little debris fly into it. That's expected. The instructions from Bling, the soap from Bling, they say for you to rinse from top to bottom. All right, down to the clay mat. Let's see how you rinse this. If your rinse is clean or does it leave residue? Let's see. Wow, your rinse is good. Wow. Because the back wheels, the wheel well has the carpeted one, not the plastic one, which is common. The back one I also have a carpet because it neutralizes more, you know, that's better soundproofing. So a lot of black residue came out, which is good. I think your rinse is really good. Your rinse is, you know, really well. Of course, the car wasn't really dirty, but, you know, you can tell the paint has zero protection, so we're gonna take care of that today. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. Hey guys, so as you can see, blingchemicals.com Inti-Mit Ultra Foaming Wash Concentrate. This worked really good. I used 100 milliliters on a foam cannon, and I was able to foam up twice. If you're gonna foam up once, you're gonna have enough there to do 2 washes. All right, I probably used about this much. You got 16 ounces. So I probably have enough for another 5, 6 washes. What do you think about the soap? I think the soap is great. It rinses amazingly, no residue. It clings to the paint really well. Only drawback, I think the cost. You gotta go a little cheaper. So my suggestion to you, if you're gonna buy it, not sponsor video. I bought the Bling Chemicals before, and I did a second order a couple weeks ago, and I bought more of the aluminum cleaner, and what's the name of the other one? What's the name? Bling. I bought the kit, Savage Soap and Bling Absolute Acid. So I did that on the undercarriage, and it worked great. So if you bought the kit, and I think they had like a $15 off through their website, which is right. So this cost me like $7 with some coupons that I had, but normally it's about $20. I think it's a really good soap. If it was like $15 all the time, they wouldn't be able to keep them on the shelf, because I think it's a great soap. Would you buy the soap again? Yes, I would, but I'll probably buy a bigger bottle, maybe the gallon, to get me more. You know, it might be a better bang for your buck. So that's my review for the week, guys. Bling Inti-Mit Ultra Foaming Wash. Great soap, cleans well, cleans to the paint, very pleasant scent, amazing foam. You know, some soaps give so much foam that it's like shaving cream, it doesn't stick to the paint. This one, it stuck to the paint, it cleaned really well to the paint, so I think it was a great soap. Because, you know, it's a bummer sometimes you foam the right side of the car. When you get to the left side, the paint already came off, the soap already came off the paint on the other side. So this one here, it gave you enough working time, even though it was on the sun, on very, very hot sun. All right? So guys, I appreciate you all. Welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. This is the Boss Way. Or if it's your first time watching and you like the content, please subscribe. Help me grow this channel. Only you guys can help me do that. All right. I'm just a regular car hobbyist. I'm a husband. I'm a dad. I'm a friend, and I'm your friend here who does reviews on car products, cars, and other stuff, you know, every week. All right. I thank you for welcoming me to your house and, you know, taking the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all. All right, guys. So I hope everybody is doing okay. You have a blessed week. God bless you. Take care. See you next time. Take care.